Hey, welcome to the Utopia Experience. So today we're going to be making a delicious homemade peanut butter. It is super simple. All you need is some peanuts, some coconut oil, a little bit of brown sugar, honey, agave, maple syrup, anything you'd want to throw in as a sweetener, a little bit of sea salt, and you're pretty much good to go. If you want to really flavor it up, you could throw in some cinnamon or some nutmeg. Really, you can make it your own recipe. I'm just going to show you 4 basic ingredients, and we're going to make it really easy for you today. So we're going to start right now with the peanuts. This is about 2.5 to 3 cups of peanuts. Well, actually, just almost a pound of peanuts. We're using about 1/4 cup of coconut oil. We might need to add a little bit more. It really is, it's quite temperamental depending on the nut you're using to make your peanut butter, because you don't have to just use peanuts. I mean, you could use macadamia nuts, you can use cashews, you can make any kind of nut butter you want. And also, like I said, depending on your peanuts that you're buying, some are dry roasted, or you can use honey roasted peanuts. That's amazing. But you can really use different types of nuts, and depending on the nut you're using, you might need to add more or less oils, okay? A few tablespoons of coconut sugar. So like I said, this is just organic coconut sugar. It's up to you how much you want to use. I usually put in 2-3 tablespoons, like I said, just household tablespoons. Sea salt, like I said, a little over a pinch, maybe a strong pinch. I like salt. And that's basically it. We're going to blend this down for a few minutes. We're going to check out the texture. We'll be show you back here in a few minutes. Like I said, we might need to add a little bit more coconut oil, but like I said, just play around with it. It's really a simple process that you can do at home, and all you need is a food processor.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
All right, so this is actually going really fast today. I think it's only been blending for less than 5 minutes, but look at that. Smooth and creamy. It's still got a little chunk, a little grit to it. Now, we're going to probably keep blending and processing this down for probably another 5 to 6 minutes, because I like my peanut butter really creamy and really smooth. Also, if you want to make a chunky peanut butter, you could process this down into a really smooth, refined, creamy peanut butter, and then take in another handful, 1/2 cup or something of whole peanuts, throw in there and just kind of pulse it a couple times, and you're going to have like a really good chunky peanut butter, okay? Like I said, I really don't know why more people don't just make their own peanut butter. It's so fast, so easy, 10 minutes, and it's way less expensive.
More moments later.
All right, everybody. So this has been blending. Like I said, this is really creamy. I probably could have got by with putting a little bit less coconut oil in. I put about 3/4 cup. Probably would have been better with 1/2 cup. But you have to play with it. Every recipe is going to be a little bit different depending on the nuts we use. But anyways, let's give this a try. Well, here, actually I want to try it on our homemade vegan bagel here. That's another video. Look, you guys can look for if you want to know how to make a delicious homemade vegan bagel. And this is warm. This is really warm from just being blended. So when you put this in the refrigerator, it actually thickens up quite a lot. So good. So good. Satisfying. Just have a look at this. Delicious, smooth, creamy, homemade peanut butter. So I'm going to have one more bite of this. I want to try it with one of our bananas that we've, look at the size of this thing. It's huge. I think this is probably the world's smallest banana. Oh man, so good. Homemade peanut butter, homegrown bananas, fresh homemade vegan bagels. Life doesn't get any better. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and stick around for more videos. And make sure you check out some of the other ones we have. How to make chocolate at home, vegan bagels, bread, tomato sauce. We have so many amazing recipes, you're not going to want to miss them. Have a great day.